Alright everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we're tackling a super useful topic, how to update your Apple Watch. Whether you're after the latest features or just want to keep things running smoothly, updating is key. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General, then tap Software Update. Your phone will check for updates. If there's one available, download and install it. Important, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi, has at least 50% battery, and ideally is plugged into a charger. Now that your iPhone is up to date, let's get your Apple Watch sorted. There are two ways to do this, and I'll show you both. Method 1, using the Watch app on your iPhone. Make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, has at least 50% battery, and is connected to a charger. Then, open the Watch app on your iPhone. At the bottom, make sure you're on the My Watch tab. Scroll down and tap on General, then tap Software Update. The app will automatically search for updates. After a few seconds, an update should appear. Just tap Download and install. You'll need to enter your iPhone passcode, and the download will begin on your watch. It will then begin installing shortly after. Once your Apple Watch has been updated, you can double-check by going back to the Watch app, then General, then Software Update. After a few seconds, it should confirm that you're on the latest version of watchOS. Method 2, updating directly on your Apple Watch. Again, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, has at least 50% battery, and is connected to a charger. On your Apple Watch, press the digital crown to go to the app menu. Find the Settings app. It might be in a list view, so you may have to scroll. Tap the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. Then tap Software Update. It'll automatically search for an update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Wait for the update to download. Once downloaded, the watch will begin installing it. Your watch won't be usable for about 5 to 10 minutes during the installation, so be patient. To confirm the update, press the digital crown to go back to the app menu, find and open the Settings app again. Scroll down to General, then tap Software Update. After a few seconds, it should confirm that your Apple Watch is up to date. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.